Hi guys, welcome to Rising Warriors. Today I'll be unboxing the new LG Urbane smartwatch. Telling about the specs, it is an Android Wear smartwatch. It has a 410 mAh battery with 512 gigs of RAM and 4 GB onboard storage. And it also it's a stainless steel and it is the silver variant. There are two variants in it, the gold and silver. So basically it's an POLED display that's 320 into 320. It's about 245 ppi. Yeah, it's a 245 ppi. It's an ambient display. So it has Bluetooth 4.0 and let's unbox this baby. Okay, so we have the watch itself. It's a gorgeous looking watch. It's got Gorilla Glass 3 and it's a stainless steel variant, and it's black version I've bought, the black leather. So let's keep this aside. Let's see what else we've got here, right here. So we have three mysterious boxes. So here's the first box. Oops, it's open. Okay, so it's a power brick. So let's see how much amps it has got. I think it's 1 amp power supply. Yep, it's the 1 amp power supply. So it's the standard 1 amp power supply. So as I told you, the watch is 410 mAh. LG says it would go through the day, so we'll be having a review on that the same. So here we have got the charger and a cable, LG cable. Also, I see they have separated the charger and the dock from it. That's some really nice stuff LG has done. You can use this cable for other stuff also. So yeah, it's totally magnetic. As you can see, this sticks right over. This sticks at the back of the watch. I'll be showing you. So it has got a rubber finish so that it could stick to the table. So that's really nice. And I think we have got some paperwork here. Let's have a look. It's a guide and all guide. So this is pretty much the unboxing. So let's have a look at the watch itself. Oops, it's tangled. So as you can see, you have a heart rate monitor down here. This is a charging dock. So the charger would stick right here like this. It won't go out. It automatically sticks right here. So let's have a first look. Let's have a boot at it. Let's boot the OS. So I think it has 7.1.1 in it. It has been updated. So it's the LG logo. So it has gyro, acceleration, compass, barometer and all. I'll be setting the watch and I'll be pausing the video for a minute. I'll be setting all the counts and all the things, then I'll be showing you what's in it. Okay, I've got my device booted and all the things are set up. So this is the basic screen we've got here in it. So firstly, you can just shut off the watch like this. This is the ambient mode, which is quite good. I have kept my brightness I think at 1. Let's have a look. So here's the watch itself. So if you want the notification bar, you can just swipe down. Like my Bluetooth is on. I could turn on my Wi-Fi also. It also has Wi-Fi in it. So here's the airplane mode. Here's the ambient mode. So you can increase it. It's to the max. Yes, it's to the max right here. And this is a theater mode if you are in theater or something like that. So if you want to turn off the display, if you don't get any notifications, you can just go right here and it shows that you can press on the power supply. It won't work like this. So you need to press it right here and it will turn on. So let's have a look at its app drawer. So if you press this button, then you'll get an app drawer. So I think the brightness is too much. I need to lower it down. Let's keep it on 3. 3 is much better. Oh, the battery is gonna go. I haven't charged it. So these are the apps which come in it. So in the settings section we have display, we have watch faces, brightness, text and on screen to keep it on or off. Then we have the notification, how we can preview the notification. We have apps, we can uninstall the apps and all the things. And gestures, if you want wrist gestures, tilt to wake and all these things. I'll be doing an in-depth review of these features. Also, you've got a Play Store right here. You can just download apps or anything. It's loading for the first time. So yep, you can just download apps, update. I think this is the update section. Yeah, I've already got an update right here. So currently I am running on, let us see what version we've got right here. I'm running on, it's where is it? It's version, yes, version. It's 2.7, Android Wear 2.7, and the OS is 7.1.1. It's already on Nougat. So it's a really good thing. We hope to get Oreo down here. So I'll be doing an in-depth review of this watch and all the apps and the battery time and all. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.